There are many situations where it would be useful to have access to the facilities of electronic documents, the ability to print, fax, save, or email, but where typing at a computer might be difficult or inappropriate. In a brainstorming meeting, for example, it's much more natural to jot down ideas on a whiteboard, but then they don't have all those useful electronic properties. BrightBoard is a system which allows documents on ordinary drawing surfaces to be endowed with many of the capabilities of their electronic counterparts, using the drawing surface itself as the user interface. This means I don't need to be distracted from the focal point of the meeting by a keyboard, screen, and mouse. For example, suppose during the meeting somebody requests a copy of the diagram. Using BrightBoard, I can write the print command directly on the board. Activity on the board is being monitored by a camera, suspended from the ceiling and connected to a computer next door. I stand aside to give the computer a clear view, and when it sees the print command, it uses synthesized speech to tell me so. I can then delete the command and carry on. Using similar commands, I can fax, email, and save the image, and I can also control other devices. I might adjust the air conditioning, for example, simply by writing the required temperature on the whiteboard. Or I could select one of the popular views on our audiovisual network. VP stands for View the Park. I have all this control from the front of the room. Finally, BrightBoard can be used on any drawing surface, not just whiteboards. Here, a camera clipped to a bookshelf above the desk allows me to create a desktop scanner and photocopier.